villain Mohit came home, I just told him, I was like, take me in every film of yours. And he was like, do you not want to hear it? And I was like, no. Then for ABCD2, Varun went and told Remo sir that he's seen me dancing as a child in all the crazy dance parties, birthday parties, and I'm sure Remo sir would want someone who can dance also. So I said, I'll dance for you. So that's how ABCD2 happened.
And since I was a little girl, I wanted to be an actress. I just asked my parents, I was like, is it okay if I don't go back to college? Will you still support me? And can I please do this film? I really want to act. So they told me, think about it and take a decision. So of course I decided to not go back to college because of this film. And I was very happy. I was really happy to pursue my dream. Very, very happy, and mostly because my parents supported me. So in terms of following your passions, we have one life, yaar. If we don't do it now, when will we do it? And whether you are successful or no, life is full of ups and downs now. I mean, what goes up must come down, what goes down must come up. And you have to hang in there and just enjoy what you do. I think just have a lot of love for what you do and self-belief.
Whenever I see my work, the first thing I see is flaws. I'll be like, this should have been like that should have been like this should have been like this, that should have been like that. So that's like very normal, I think, that when you see your work, first thing you see is like that. And although I do feel like what was a very big change in my life was when I would say there were like two special milestones according to me, which were Ashiki and Stree. Turning points, like those were turning points. I can't believe it's going to be 10 years already. It doesn't feel like it. And I mean, I'm very grateful. I think more than anything, I'm just feeling so grateful and I'm feeling so happy, cherishing every moment of it. And I think that like when you have a childhood dream and it starts unraveling and you're living it every day and you're getting to be a part of the films, amazing films, and getting the kind of love and adulation, it's a very special feeling. I would like to believe that I have evolved and I have changed for the better. That's what I would like to believe. And I think that it's been so special. It's been amazing, and I feel like the kind of connect that has happened with the audiences has been really, really special.